What is up, YouTube? It's your girl, Ja Renee. You don't want to know why? Because you're tuned in to watch me. So, I always do something trifling.
Hold me close.
This is a video that YouTubers don't tell beginning YouTubers. You know, you see so many videos where it's like, oh, do this to start a new YouTube channel. But don't you notice none of those YouTubers are beginners anymore? Don't you actually want to hear it from somebody who is currently a beginning YouTuber and going through it so they can give you tips while you're a beginner as well? So you guys can just grow together, right? Don't you hate those YouTube videos where they say, hey, I'm going to tell you this and here's 5 tips, but they don't really give you the deets of those 5 tips? First thing you want to do, you want to have a creative name. So what I did was took a piece of my first name and put it with my middle name and came up with Ja Renee. And also, you want those names to be the same names that you have as your social media names. You want to try to keep all your names the same. And number 2, to be consistent. Take it from me. I've been on YouTube since October 2011. It is now November 2018. And guess what, guys? I am only at 250 subscribers. All right, enough with that. Number 3. Be yourself. Be creative. Do whatever the hell you want to. If you're doing beauty videos, don't try to have your background set up like everybody else if you can't afford to. And 4, if you're on a beauty channel as well, you do not need all the expensive brushes and the palettes and all that fancy crap that they use. Use whatever brush you want to use to do whatever you want. It's makeup. Play with it, have fun, and you will eventually learn what works best for you. Not what works best for Jaclyn Hill or Nick Lee Tutorials. That's no shade. It's just the 2 top YouTubers, gurus that I thought of that probably uses a Dior brush. Who got money for that? And 5. Another thing that they don't tell beginning YouTubers is you have to post what's trending. Oh, today I want to post this. I want to post me doing this. Today, I want to... It doesn't matter. You can post that, but think about it. There are so many other people doing exactly what you're doing, so you have to keep up with the trends. Go see what Jaclyn and go see what Manny MUA and Patrick Star and all these people are doing, so that way when you upload, do something similar. You don't have to copy off their exact style, and if you do, make sure you give them a shout out or add their video into your description box. Anything to give them credit. But you have to do what's trending. Until you get a following, you have to do what you have to do to gain subscribers. Okay? Okay. And number 6. You go to PicMonkey. You want to make your pictures very bright. You want to add emojis and red arrows and things that's going to draw people to your video. Because if the quality of the thumbnail doesn't look good, guess what? Would you click on a video that has a plain thumbnail? I don't think so. Make sure your thumbnail stands out just like the rest of everyone else's thumbnail and make your quality of your content look as best as you can with what you have. And number 7, naming your thumbnails are also very, very, very important. They say don't use clickbait. They say, but they use clickbait. So use a little clickbait if you have to. Sorry, just saying. For instance, if you're filming a video and it's just you talking to your sister about something, find something in that conversation that was actually interesting or that you think viewers might want, even if it's just a small clip of the video, and use that as your title just like every other big YouTuber does, and they don't tell you to do that. So, for instance, don't say, having a conversation with my big sister. Who's gonna watch that? Nobody gives a shit what you and your sister are talking about. But hey, if you were to say, I tricked my big sister, told her I was pregnant, I don't know, anything. That kind of sounds interesting. That would be something I would want to see your sister reaction to. And tip number 8, something that I had to learn the hard way. Do not make super long videos. Your videos cannot be over 10 minutes, even over 7 minutes. Try to make your videos at least less than 5. If you can make them 3, that will be great. Nobody wants to watch you for 10 minutes. Nobody knows you. They don't have a relationship with you. Let them grow and learn to like you. Try to put as much good content as you can into a 3 to 5 minute video max, and you will keep your viewers watching. And tip number 9, if you go into YouTube looking to make money, you're probably not gonna make money. You have to actually like what you do, like the content you put out, and work hard at it, because it's not gonna just fall in your lap. What does? Though, if you go to your job and you're slacking and you're walking around with an attitude and you'd half-ass do it, you think you're going to get a promotion? You think you're going to grow? No, it's the same thing. Don't think, oh, I'm going to get this raise at work if I just sit here. It's not going to happen. If you don't upload, you won't grow. You won't make a dime, ever. You have to actually enjoy your content. If you strictly want to do something to make money, I don't know. This isn't the career for you. Just saying.